maybe 2 terms. That
All
is my
right.
take on it.
Okay. All right. Coming in, Mahayuti allies have a crucial meeting with Amit Shah in Delhi as the BJP, the Shiv Sena, and the Ajit Pawar led NCP vie for critical portfolios in Maharashtra's cabinet reshuffle. And according to sources, CM Eknath Shinde is vying for the DCM, and urban development is what we are learning. Rajalakshmi Joshi, political analyst, with us on the program as well. Rajalakshmi, this is going to be a very, very important meeting. Maharashtra is a very crucial state for the Bharatiya Janata Party, not only in terms of the Lok Sabha numbers it brings in, the Rajya Sabha numbers it also brings in, but also the fact that it's taken the BJP a lot of effort, long years of effort and groundwork by the RSS, even recently, to pull out the performance that they did, despite the setback that they received in the Lok Sabha elections. But the surprising factor is going to be Mr. Eknath Shinde. Is he going to be pushed out of the way? Is that something which is going to be acceptable to him? If it's something that's acceptable to him, will it be acceptable to his party leaders, his party men?
Good evening, Vineet, and really good to be on your show. And I would say that Maharashtra politics has promised to be a potboiler, not just in the last couple of days, but over the last 5 years. Everything that has happened, it has always been very suspenseful. And even now, every minute of it, we don't know what exactly is going to happen next. So all we are doing right now is speculating. But even then, there are a few things, on which we can base our speculation. So I would say that I partly agree with what Sumit Pirji said. I think this must be the first time when I would love to disagree with a few things that he said. So, when he said about what he said about Devendra Fadnavis ji was so right, that he said that he needs to be grounded here in Maharashtra and he's the one who can hold everybody together. Yes, he is exactly the person who has held together all the three parties and also the two stellar leaders from the two alliance partners. So all of that, he is the person who has held together all of them. So quite obviously, I think that even though BJP Maharashtra does have a problem of plenty right now, they do have a lot of other options. It's not like Devendra Fadnavis ji is the only face, but yes, he is the face when it comes to the person who will probably hold all of them together. Now, and also the things that Sumit Pirji said, that he is somebody who can hold BJP Maharashtra here together and maybe take it to greater heights. Now, I would say the similar thing for Eknath Shinde ji also. And he said something very similar in his press conference in Thane when he said, "आप लोग क्यों मुझे दिल्ली भेजना चाहते हैं? मैं यहीं पे खुश हूँ." So he has hinted very strongly, saying that I am somebody who is going to stay here and hold on to my roots. I am going to hold on to my party here together. And he may actually accept a bigger and chunkier portfolio for his son. Actually, see, in a way, that also works in his favor, because his son's prospects are also rising because of all of this. So, now what I see is that the Shinde faction of the Shiv Sena, even though it is the original Shiv Sena, as technically you would say now, even then, the organization, you would say, is a little a little new in a sense, because earlier the Thackeray family was at the that was the root. Now today there is the concept of Balasaheb Thackeray, but at the same time you will need an Eknath Shinde to hold all of them together. So we don't want, he will not want them to break away and another situation arising. So I am sure that he would want to stay here in Maharashtra and take care of his own party and of the Mahayuti as well. And at the same time, in the center also, he gets a meteor role. So,
okay. Stay with that thought, Rajalakshmi. Let me come back to you. I'll ask